Hey guys, my name is Alexis. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make a garden style arrangement using floral foam and a bowl. If you love flowers like I do, follow my flower Instagram at flowersbyalexis. I'll link all my links below. But without further ado, let's get into the video. So to start out, you're going to need floral foam. I got this foam from the dollar store. You're also going to need a bowl. I got mine from Target. Clippers or any type of floral safety scissors or something. You're also going to need some tape. So what I'm going to start off doing is I'm going to take my floral foam and I'm going to stick it into my bowl. So I already cut it down to the size that I need it. I'm just going to stick it in there. I'm going to take this piece of tape. I'm going to use it to hold my foam in place. So today I'm going to create something really garden style and like movement and just a whole lot of texture. So it's not going to be like your traditional arrangement that you would like put on a table. This is going to be like more abstract and artsy. First thing I'm going to do is cut some pieces off and make my vase. I'm going to start creating like a shape for my arrangement. So I like doing my arrangements like oval shape, so it's gonna come out kind of like this almost. If you guys know what the name of this stuff is, comment down below. I really love using it, but I'm just really not sure what the name is. And again, you just want to rotate your vase so you get like all sides of your arrangement. Alright, now that I have like a good shape going here, I'm gonna just add in my flowers now. I'm gonna start with trying to hide the foam first and then I'm going to work out. I've got a lot of daisies here, you know, perfect for the spring. So let's see, let me stick this guy like right in the center. A key tip to making like a cool garden style arrangement is putting things on different levels and heights. So for example, I put like all of my daisies on the first level, then I kind of brought this other daisy a little farther out. I'm gonna bring this piece of solidago here, and I'm probably going to stick this like right in here, just to give it a little bit of like, you know, we got some movement going. It's kind of taking your eye in a different direction. And we've got this really beautiful Veronica here. I like sticking things in clusters of 3. So I'm gonna be placing my Veronica like this, in a cute little cluster of 3 to like balance out that one side of Veronica. I'm gonna take my Scabiosa, just stick that there. I'm probably gonna do 2 stems of this sticking out. Alright guys, I think we're coming to an end point. Alright guys, and there you have it, my flower arrangement. I hope you guys like creating this arrangement with me. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and I will make more. I'll see you guys next Monday. Bye!